Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, our today's topic is SPB, page number 27 to 29. SPB means Spelling Practice Book, page number 27 to 29. So let's start our class. Look at the board. Just look, this is page number 27. So here the letter is X, and you can find here several words that starts with X. First one is xylophone, X-ray, Xmas, Xebec, and Xerox. So look at the picture at first. What is this? This is the picture of a xylophone. X-Y-L-O, lo, xylo, P-H-O-N-E, phone, xylophone. X-Y-L-O, lo, xylo, P-H-O-N-E, phone, xylophone. X-Y-L-O, lo, xylo, P-H-O-N-E, phone, xylophone. Now just look here, this is X-ray. X-R-A-Y, ray, X-ray. X-R-A-Y, ray, X-ray. X-R-A-Y, ray, X-ray. And this is Xmas, that means Christmas. X-M-A-S, mas, Xmas. Now go to the next page, page number 28. This is Y. Y for ear, yok, yacht, yo-yo, yoke, and yellow. So look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of a yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Now look at the next picture. This is the picture of yak. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. And this is the toy, yo-yo. Y-O-Yo, Y-O-Yo, yo-yo. Y-O-Yo, Y-O-Yo, yo-yo. Y-O-Yo, Y-O-Yo, yo-yo. Now go to the next page. This is page number 29. Z. Z for zebra, zero, zinnia, zip, zigzag, and zoo. So at first look at the picture. This is the picture of zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now this is zero. Z-E-R-O, zero. Z-E-R-O, zero. Z-E-R-O, zero. And this is zinnia. Z-I-N-N-I-A, zinnia. Z-I-N-N-I-A, zinnia. Z-I-N-N-I-A, zinnia. So Z for zebra, zero, and zinnia. And students, now it's time for your HW. Your HW number 12 is names of colors. That means 5 colors name. You have to write here 5 colors name. Names of colors. This is your HW. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.